Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. I again welcome you to my English class. Now we are going to do book exercise of chapter Clever Somu. And today's topic is learn to use dictionary. For this exercise children, you need your dictionary. Now let's see what we have to do in this exercise. Look at these sentences. Here in this exercise, you are going to learn about noun and verb forms. First, let us look at the explanation here. Look at these sentences. Will you permit me to go in? I'm sorry, I can't let you in unless you have a permit. Look here children. Here the word permit has been used in two different ways. In the first sentence, permit has been used as a verb, and in the second sentence, it has been used as a noun. In the first sentence, permit means to give permission, and in the second sentence, here permit means where you have a written document that you're allowed to go. Some words can behave both as a noun and a verb. The dictionary can help us with words like permit, which belong to more than one word class. I would like you all to search for this word permit in your dictionary. And there, when you will search, you will find that this word is used in different forms. Now here in this exercise, you have been given some sentences children. What you have to do, you have to identify, looking at your dictionary, whether these words are verb or noun. So be ready with your dictionary. Let's look at the first sentence. The first sentence is, he wanted to win the race. Second is, I will race down to the store and get some sweets. Search this word in your dictionary. If you look at the first sentence written by race, he wanted to win the race. Here race means competition between the runners. So this is a noun. In the next sentence it is, I will race down to the store and get some sweets. So here this race down is an action. Therefore it is a verb. I hope this one is clear to you. Let's look at the next sentence. He writes with his left hand. That means you have to search for the word hand in your dictionary. He writes with his left hand. Here hand is a part of body. So this hand is a noun. Please hand me the bottle of gum. So I'm asking someone to give me the bottle of gum. So it is an action here. So this hand is a verb. How interesting it is children. Hand can be used in two different forms, in noun form and verb form. Let's look at the third sentence. Be careful, don't crash into a tree. So here crash means don't collide into a tree. That means again I'm talking about an action. So this crash is a verb here. Next, she was injured in a car crash. Here crash means accident and therefore it is a noun. Quickly look for this word in your dictionary children, the word crash. You will find the different meanings of it. Next, the fisherman got a huge catch of fish yesterday. That means here catch has been used as a huge amount of fish. Therefore, it is a noun. Next, you must catch the ball when she throws it to you. Here catch has been used as an action word. Therefore, it is a verb. Next, the best player was asked to head the team. Head here means lead the team. Therefore, this is a verb. Next, he fell and hit his head against the desk. Hit his head. Head again is one of the part of our body. Therefore, this is what? A noun. I hope you like this exercise children. There are many other words where the same word can be used in noun and verb forms. Search for those extra words and you can note it down somewhere in rough and share with me. Thank you and have a nice day.